What's Dad got going on today? Well, Dad's got mushrooms, stuffed mushrooms, air fryer stuffed mushrooms. Dad loves to order stuffed mushrooms at his favorite restaurant for seafood that might be something with a lobster and a color. It's not fancy seafood, but it's what I grew up eating as a kid, so I love it. So this is an easy, simple recipe for some stuffed mushrooms. You do them in the air fryer, you do it in the oven. I'll give you the oven times for it also. It's so simple, it's so fast. We use some imitation crab because you're not going to taste much of the crab in there because there's so much cheese and gooiness in it that it's going to overpower it anyway. So you can totally get away with using imitation crab and it'll still be completely delicious. So when it comes to mushrooms, stuffing them, Dad got this.
So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to dice up some basil. This is fresh basil. I roll it up into a ball and that helps me get my chop going. If you don't have fresh basil or fresh herbs, you can use dried herbs in this, it'll be just fine. So just chop it up nice and set it aside because we're going to use it in the filling in a little bit. Imitation crab. Technically, I think it's whitefish, but this stuff is perfect for this application. You're really looking more for the texture. You will get a little bit of the flavor in it, but it'd be a waste to use really expensive crab when I'm throwing cream cheese and mozzarella and all that stuff in there. So I'm just gonna rough chop this because it's gonna go in the food processor here in just a second. These are medium Portabella mushrooms. I wouldn't call them the large ones, but they're a good size, enough for stuffing. So just pull the stem out and then use a spoon to scoop out the inside to give yourself some room for your stuffing. Speaking of a food processor, this is Dad's old beast of a food processor. I really need to get a better looking one. This doesn't look the greatest on videos. All right, let's toss our crab in there. Now we got 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Our fresh basil, about a tablespoon. And now we process. Just go for a little while, you'll notice it'll just turn into a ball. Now it's time to stuff the mushrooms. You'll notice that I have a lot more stuffing than I do mushrooms. This is gonna make about 12 to 15 mushrooms depending on the size of your mushroom. Be generous, it doesn't really fall apart or come out when you're cooking. Fill them all up, and anything you have left, you can freeze to use at a later date. Or if you have a bunch of mushrooms, fill them up. This is just 4 tablespoons of butter that I let come to room temperature, and my breadcrumbs. There's a cup of Italian breadcrumbs in total, and I just keep adding until I get the consistency I'm looking for. You're looking for, I'd call it a crumble or crumbs. So just keep mixing and add in the rest of your breadcrumbs as you go. And you'll notice it'll start forming up. This is a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. That's going to help us get the rest of this to mix. And I just decided to go at it with my hands. Yeah, I do it all the time. But just get everything solidly mixed, and it's going to make a really nice topping for these mushrooms. As you can see, it's starting to come together into a crust or a crumb. And eventually you'll end up with this texture, and that's what you're looking for. Now just take a little bit of a handful of crumb, place it on your mushroom, and just press it down a little bit so it stays in place. Do all your mushrooms. Since Dad's doing these in the air fryer, that's where we're going to put them in, our air fryer basket. This is Dad's $25 air fryer he picked up at a flash sale. Go check out my review of it. I'll put a link above. So we're gonna spray these with a little bit of cooking spray. That's gonna help really crisp up the top. And we're gonna put them in, and we're gonna cook these at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. If you don't have an air fryer, cook them at 400 degrees, about 20 to 25 minutes in your oven. And this is what you end up with. An awesome stuffed mushroom. It's cheesy, it's gooey, it's tasty, it's amazing. Make them.
For more recipes and videos, visit dadgotthis.com. To be sure you don't miss anything, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the damn bell. I double dog dare you. Come on, you have to do it. It was a double dog dare. I mean, those are the rules.